I'm going to show you how you can make a great chicken parmigiano for a quick night dinner that your family is going to love. Make sure you stay towards the end of this video because I'm going to share my secret ingredient that I add to the chicken parmigiano that's going to boost up the flavor. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao, my name is Lucia and this is Green Olive Cooking, where you're only a few ingredients away from making a great meal. And tonight's great meal is chicken parmigiano, and you don't need very many ingredients to make this delicious dish, and it's great for a quick night. First thing we want to do is we want to butterfly our chicken breast because they're kind of thick, so we butterfly them to make them thin, and then we want to get a batter ready so that we can coat our chicken in. First thing is we have some flour, and in the flour I am going to add some salt and some pepper, and you just want to mix it up until it's well incorporated. Then in my second station, again, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I've got some eggs, and I did add just a tablespoon or so of water just to kind of help thin out the eggs so it coats the chicken a little bit better. And then my third dipping station is some breadcrumbs, and in here again I'm going to add some pepper, some salt, a little paprika, some oregano, some garlic powder, and I'm going to even add some Parmesan cheese. And again, we want to mix to incorporate this. So now that our three stations are ready, we've also got some olive oil that's heating up here on the pan so we can dredge and fry right away. So let's take our first chicken, add it into the flour, shake off any excess. Then we want to add it to our egg mixture. Lightly coat, drip off any excess egg, and add to our breadcrumbs. Coat one side, flip, and coat the other. We can even press some breadcrumbs in. Shake off any excess, and then add it to our hot pan. And we want to saute both sides for about 4 or 5 minutes each, and then we will put it in the oven so that it will continue to finish cooking. And so I'm going to do the rest now. Now, for my secret ingredient, it's oregano. I find that if I just sprinkle a little bit of oregano on top of each of the breasts before I put the sauce and cheese on, it just really bumps up the flavor. So there is a secret ingredient for you to amp up your chicken breast. Now, we're going to take a little bit of our tomato sauce and pour it over each breast. And then we're going to take some fresh mozzarella, and I like to just lay a piece on top. And now I'm going to put it in the oven under the broiler just long enough for the mozzarella cheese to melt. So now once my chicken parmesan is done, I can just garnish with some chopped parsley, some more grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. This is a quick and easy dinner that your family's going to love. It's really flavorful, and I have these roasted vegetables that would be a perfect accompaniment for this dinner. Bon appetit! Ciao!